Hello everybody, it's Joe, the Computer Scientist here, and today I'm going to be doing Fizz Buzz. So Fizz Buzz is an interview question that is very popular in the programming community. So I don't have the problem up in front of me, but I'm going to try to remember it and tell you guys. So basically for some number n, you print out the number, but if the number is a multiple of 3, then you print out fizz. And if the number is a multiple of buzz, if the number is a multiple of 5, then you print out buzz. So I actually came across this problem like a year ago, and I kind of tried, not that hard, and I gave up and then just never touched it ever again. But now that I'm practicing programming more, I was like, why not visit it again? And it's actually not that hard. I don't know what I was thinking. So I already have my Fizz Buzz project open in Eclipse. Now I want the user to be able to enter any number they want and then have it go for as long as that number is. I don't know if I said that right. So I'm going to import my scanner and I'm going to create my scanner object. Now I want 2 strings, fizz and buzz. So as you can see, I have string fizz equals fizz and string buzz equals buzz. So also I'm going to want an integer variable. So I have int in, and it's going to be equal to whatever the user puts in. So I'm going to have num.next int. Okay, so now I have my for loop. For int I equals 1, because we want our count to start at 1, not 0. So basically, the user is going to enter a number, and that's going to be equal to n. So for example, if it was 100, I is going to keep going until it's equal to 100. But every time that it goes again, I is going to increase in value by 1. I'm just going to show you guys like a quick example of what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I'm going to print out I. So when I run this and I put in 100, it just counts until it hits 100. I think I forgot a part. So it's actually Fizz Buzz if it's a multiple of both. So for example, 15 would be Fizz Buzz, and then it will go back to normal until it hits another one that's a multiple of 3, like 30. Okay, so I'm going to be using modulos in order to figure out which number is a multiple of 3 or 5. So in my eyes, a modulo is like division, except it prints out the remainder. So for example, how many 3s are in 5? There's only 1 3 in 5. So when you take the 3 out of 5, you have 2 numbers remaining. So the modulo of 3 is 2. So whenever the modulo equals 0, then that means that it's going to be a multiple of 3, because how many 3s are in 3? 3. So if you take the 3 out of 3, how many numbers do you have left? 0. Okay, so I got the rest of my code. So if I modulo 3 equals 0, then you're going to print out fizz. And else if I modulo 5 equals 0, then you're going to print out buzz. Else if I modulo 3 and 5 equals 0, then you're going to print out fizz buzz. And then if none of those are true, then you're going to just print out I. And I is just a number. So here we go with running our program. I'm going to enter a number, 100. And as you can see, 1, 2, fizz, because 3 is a multiple of 3, 4, buzz, because 5 is a multiple of 5, and then fizz, again, because 6 is a multiple of 3, and then 7, 8, you get it, etc., etc. But in order to make this program look a little bit neater, I'm going to just print out enter a number. And if we run it again, it says enter a number, and I put in 15, 1, 2, fizz, 4, buzz, fizz. Oh wait, I have a bug in my program. It doesn't print out fizz buzz. Why? Okay, so what I did was I just switched around whether it equals 0 for both to the top and whether it equals 0 for 3 at the bottom. So it checks for if it's 0 for both first, and then if it's not true, then it goes to the rest. So if I enter a number and I enter 15, you'll see fizz buzz at 15. But thank you for watching my video, everybody. I am very excited to have finished Fizz Buzz, because this is a thing that goes around in the coding community, and I felt kind of weird because I haven't finished it yet. But now if I'm ever in a stream or someone else's stream and somebody's like, oh, this guy doesn't know what he's doing, he probably doesn't even know Fizz Buzz, I can be like, I do know Fizz Buzz, and there's a video and proof that I know Fizz Buzz. So yeah. But yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Join my Discord and follow me on all of my social medias. And I'm going to see all of you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.
I'm a goat, no, I'm really vicious. Got heads turning when I get the spitting. Since 16, I've been making greatness. Bagging bad girls when they start to listen. Been great, so you must have missed it. Creative genius, friends are leaving.